Are you tired of the liquid glass effect on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac driving you up the wall? Well, you're not alone. Apple has heard your cries and is finally giving you more control over this divisive design feature. In the latest developer beta for iOS 26.1, iPadOS 26.1, and macOS 26.1, a hidden gem has been uncovered, a toggle that lets you tweak the transparency of the liquid glass interface. But here's where it gets interesting: you can now choose between clear, the familiar, almost invisible look, and tinted, a brand new opaque style that adds a touch of contrast. And this is the part most people miss: this change isn't just cosmetic, it affects everything from notifications to system settings, giving your device a fresh, personalized feel. The menu even includes two handy examples to help you decide, but let's be real, you'll want to see how it looks on your go-to apps. Speaking of which, YouTube creator Zalatek has a video showcasing the iOS 26.1 Beta 4 in action, so you can preview the changes before committing. To find this feature, head to Settings Display and Brightness on your iPhone or iPad, or System Settings Appearance on your Mac. Look for the liquid glass menu, and you're all set. But here's the controversial part: while Apple assures TechCrunch that all apps will automatically adapt to your preference, some developers might argue that this could lead to unintended design inconsistencies. Is Apple giving users too much freedom, or is this the customization we've all been waiting for? Let's debate that in the comments. These updates are still in developer beta, but a public beta is on the horizon, with a full release expected later. If you're itching to try it now, check out PC Mag's guide on tweaking liquid glass. And here's a thought-provoking question: does this move signal Apple's shift toward more user-driven design choices, or is it just a one-off response to criticism? Share your thoughts below.